Chapter 2. Description of the 7 suspended terraces. First terrace of the hanging gardens, roots of the earth. In a warm and quiet morning, Nebuchadnezzar and Amytis were walking on the first terrace of the hanging gardens, a place that seemed like an oasis from a dream. This terrace, the lowest of the 7, served as the gateway to the wonders of nature, being a symbol of the deep connection between earth and sky. Here every detail was thought to delight the senses, and the atmosphere was a vibrant mixture of color, smell and sound. The terrace spread over several hectares and was divided into sectors, each with its own charm. The paths were paved with water-polished stones, brought from the banks of the Euphrates River, and bordered with clinging jasmine, whose small white flowers emanated a delicate fragrance. Every few meters, huge terracotta pots housed broad-leaved figs and pomegranate bushes, whose fruit shone like stones precious, and in the center of the terrace were several artesian fountains, each skillfully carved in stone. The water gushed with a gentle sound and flowed in a network of thin channels that crossed the garden, keeping the soil moist and cooling the air. The first terrace was thought to be a show of color. Roses in every possible shade, from bright red to pale yellow and pure white, formed bushes rich, and the lilies gracefully raised their white flowers to the sky. Carnations, with fringed petals and a sweet scent, alternated with purple and blue hyacinths, creating a natural mosaic that seemed to dance in the sunlight. Hanging plants, such as wild vine and wisteria, dressed the walls of the terrace, transforming them into a carpet alive. Interspersed among these were rare flowers brought from the vast empire of Babylon, orchids from the tropical forests, red hibiscus from the eastern islands and flowers of blue lotus, carefully transported from Egypt. One of the most remarkable elements of the first terrace were the exotic birds, which brought life and sound to the garden. Nebuchadnezzar had ordered that birds be gathered from all corners of his empire, as a tribute to the diversity of the world. The aviaries and the nests were hidden among trees and shrubs, creating a perfect sanctuary for these wonderful creatures. Songbirds were the most numerous. Among them were they counted the nightingales, whose melancholy trills filled the air with a natural music. They preferred to hide their nests in